Hello campers, here's our last and final box. This is Brandon Gooch, aka Cryptid Camp Counselor Gooch, and let's see what else we can get from this. This is our last box we ordered, so kind of wish I ordered more, but let's see what kind of cards we can get out of this last box. So last box magic, that's what we're calling it. And so far on Discord I've seen people pull all these awesome serialized cards. I've seen people pull some of the vision rares, which are phenomenal. It's just, hopefully I get one of those. That's what I'm really after. I was going to keep one of these boxes sealed, but I can't. The anticipation of what could be in there is just killing me, so I just have to open it. But these boxes are awesome. Nice little storage area to keep cards. Very heavy duty. Nice little magnet. So let's see what we can get from our box topper. And we, oh, serialized Mothman reunion. Heck yeah. Glad I didn't keep this box sealed. 34 out of 100. Excellent. We're off to a good start so far. Let's see what we get from the first pack of the last box. Ooh, meteorite lantern. We got another reverse hollow Mothman. Second pack, see what we got. Obsidian lantern. Ooh, full hollow Mothman. And fun fact that all these Mothman cards are based on real species of moth. Very cool. So we got on our third pack. But yeah, this set's been so fun to open. See what we got. Another reverse hollow spotted Mothman. Alright, here's our fourth pack. Let's see what we got in here. Reverse hollow meteorite cabin. Another reverse hollow. Very cool card. Alright, last pack magic. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we get like a vision rare or a serialized Mothman or something. Let's see what we got. Ooh, very cool. Reverse hollow crinkle Mothman. Well, I'll have to say that this box was an awesome, awesome pull. This is such a beautiful card. All the Mothmen hanging around with one another. Very cool. But thanks for tuning in, and go check out cryptidcamp.com.